guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can duplicate people or like objects on CapCut PC. So this video right here, you can do it on videos or photos. You're just going to copy and paste the video, go to cutout, and you're going to select auto cutout, and it will just remove the background, and you can like place it to the left or the right to basically duplicate it. You can duplicate it as much as you want. For instance, you want to have more to the left maybe or to the right. It's totally up to you. But yeah, that is how you can duplicate objects and people on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!